Emma bought shares in 2 mutual funds, investing a total of $32,000. One fund's share went up by 7%, while the other fund went up in value by 3%. This was a total profit of $1,760 for Emma. How much did she invest in each mutual fund? We have 2 unknowns, that being how much money she invested in the fund that increased 7%, which we can call A, and how much she invested in the fund that increased 3%, which we can label B. Since she invested $32,000 total, we have the equation A plus B equals 32,000. But she also had a profit of 1,760. The way that we would generate the profit is we would take the percent increase times the amount that she has in the fund. So for our A, it would be the A times the 7%. But I want to use 0.07 instead of the 7%. The same with the fund B, it would be 0.03 times B. The profit from both of these funds then would be the total 1,760. Here's our system of equations. Since we want to find out what A and B are, we need to make one of them go away. Let's choose the B. To do so, in this case, let's let the top equation multiply by -3, and the bottom equation I'm going to multiply by 100 so that my decimals go away. That means that my new top equation would be -3A minus 3B equals -96,000. The new bottom equation would be 7A plus 3B equals 176,000. Now we can see that when we add them together, the B's are going to drop out. The A's, I would have 4A equals 80,000. Dividing both sides by 4, A will equal 20,000. Now that I know how much was invested in the A fund, I'm going to use this to find out how much would be in the B. I'm going to substitute that number into that first equation and say A plus B would equal 32,000. Again, replacing the 20,000 for A. Subtracting 20,000 from both sides then, I find that B will be 12,000. Well, here are my 2 answers. So I know that 20,000 was invested in the 7% increased fund. While $12,000 was invested in the fund that increased by 3%.